Hello from Minnesota's highest rated Kia dealership, Lupient Kia in Brooklyn Park. The cold weather is here, so what better time to get your hands on a heated steering wheel inside of a new Kia. We keep one of every model here for you to test drive. Telluride, Sorento, Carnival, K5, Nero, Forte, even the all-new 2023 Sportage is here and ready for a test drive. The best way to get your hands on a new Kia is to visit our website and schedule a VIP test drive with one of our product specialists. Pick a day and time that works best for you and we'll have the car or SUV of your choice pulled up and ready for your arrival. After your test drive, we'll go to work and get your new Kia on its way. Now here's Howard to tell you about some of this month's specials.
Season's greetings. I'm Howard with Lupient Kia in Brooklyn Park. Thinking about a new vehicle for the holidays? Choose the 2023 Kia Sorento. The 2023 Sorento is a great performing SUV at a great price. Sorento effortlessly places itself above many recognizable competitor SUVs in its class. Reasons to choose the 2023 Sorento include an exceptional X-Line trim with all-wheel drive standard, wireless charging starting on S models, auto-dimming mirrors starting on EX models, and 10-way power passenger seat with lumbar. Stop in or give us a call to reserve your 2023 Kia Sorento.
Visit Lupient Kia, located next to Walmart in Brooklyn Park, or online at lupientkia.com.